Hi friends, it's Becky, and I wanted to share with you the curated collection from Beads to Live By for November 2024. This is a monthly bead subscription. There's actually two of them. One of them is the seed bead subscription, and one of them is the 2-hole bead subscription, and I subscribe to both. There's usually also a curated add-on bundle that are check glass beads. There's the pressed glass bundle and a fire polish bundle that are also curated to go with the curated collections, and that I usually get that, but I did not get that this month, and that's fine though, because I'll put a link in the description if you want to see what's in those bundles. I'll put a link in the description so that you can check that out at Beads to Live By yourself. It is a brick and mortar store, but they have a really good online presence, and I love this subscription because I very often would be looking on websites where they've got like hundreds and hundreds of beads, especially seed beads listed, and I would never know what bead was going to go with what project and which beads would go together. So Cassandra has a really great eye for color and what goes together, and so she puts these together, and then you get just a bunch of beads that are guaranteed to all go together. It makes designing with them so much easier because then I can say, okay, I'm going to be using these 2 beads and these seed beads, and they're going to look great together, and I just know they will, because they're already set to go together. So the seed bead subscription has 8 selections of seed beads in 4 different sizes. And the 4 sizes come together. It's not selectable. You get 15 O's, 11 O's, 8 O's, and 6 O's. And the 11 O, 8 O, and 6 O seed beads all come in these 10-gram bags. The 15 O's come in these 2.5-inch tubes, and they are full all the way to the top. I put some in here so that we could look at it. It looks a little bit prettier up closer, because I'm going to bring that up next to the camera so you can get a better look at the colors while I go over them. The 2-hole beads, and these sometimes will change. Sometimes we'll have the same seed bead 2-hole beads. Sometimes they'll be different, but they'll always be different colors and curated to go with the seed bead selection. And sometimes you'll have strands, and sometimes you'll have these clamshell boxes. It just depends on the type of seed bead that we're looking at. And so for these, again, it's 5 selections of 2-hole beads, and then 8 selections of the seed beads. So let's take a look at the seed bead subscription first. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit so we can take a look at the first one. Now these are both of the 15-0 seed beads. This is a really, really light, almost purpley, and look, I did not plan this with my fingernails. I am sorry, I did not plan it. It's a really light, like gray purple color of bead with a silver lining, and then we've got our opaque metallic mint green color right next to it. And that is a mint green. It is so light. Then we've got more of a neutral color. This is kind of a dark bluey gray that we've got, but it's not really, really dark. It's kind of light bluey gray. I don't know. It's semi-opaque and a little bit shiny, and this is an 8-0, or sorry, this is an 11-0 seed bead. And then the next 11-0 seed bead is right here, and this one is a frosted light blue, like that. So it is matte finish. Next to that, we've got a really great looking purple. This is like when you see real amethyst, that's the color that the gemstone is. So it's like a light amethyst color with like a luster finish on it. And then we've got some blue, like kind of a blue, cornflower blue, but then there's little hints of purple in there as well. It's a really, really pretty 8-0 seed bead that we're looking at there. That was 8-0, and this is 8-0 as well. And then we've got our 6-0 seed beads. We've got kind of a metallic, like rainbow iris 6-0 seed bead, and then this light aqua, is it gold lined? It might be gold lined or silver lined. I can't really tell because sometimes I look at them and I think it's gold lined, but it's actually silver lined. But it makes it look like gold lined, whatever the color is. And then it's got an AB finish on that for it. These are the two-hole seed beads that came in the clamshells. So I'll be showing those here, and then I'll bring the stranded ones up later. We have some ginkgos, and these are matte finish ginkgos in a really pretty cornflower blue. The holes on ginkgos go from the rounded outer side towards these inner curved sides, and they're shaped like that, like a ginkgo leaf. And then we've got some nib bits in this really purple with a little bit of blue flecks color of glass. And nib bits are wedge-shaped beads that have a needle, or sorry, have a hole that goes through the longer edge of that wedge. And these I've been having a lot of fun designing with. I came up with a couple of things last month, and we'll do some more this month with it. I think that there's some really fun things that we can do with this shape. And for the other two-hole beads that we've got, we have some metallic silver silky beads. And silky beads, two-hole beads, are, there are two different versions. One is flat on both sides, so it doesn't matter which way it's pointing up. These are the ones that we get in the curated collections. Other versions of silky beads will have a little bump on one side, but we're not using those. They are flat on both sides, so they're pretty versatile. They are a square-shaped bead, but the holes run through like diagonally on these. So it is still on its strand. I'm going to leave it on there for that. Then we've got some pyramid beads, and these are just a really great periwinkle color. They are matte finish as well, and they have two holes in the side. They have a flat bottom and a pointy pyramid shape on the other side. I love them. Some folks also call them stud beads because they are like studs that you could, they're very similar to the studs, like metal studs, chrome studs that you put in leather or something like that. I love designing with these. I am going to actually have some fun with both of these. I think it might be time to revisit my squaring a circle design. It is a bead weaving design, but use the pyramid beads instead of tile beads, because with those I use two kind of square shaped beads and then make it into a circle design. I'll put a link to that in the description below, but I'll also do a video with these specific beads a little bit later this week, or next week, I should say. And then, my favorite, look how icy and beautiful these etched two-hole dagger beads are. They have two holes in the sides here, and the two holes make them a little bit more versatile because you can do a few more things with them. And I absolutely love this color. It is so gorgeous, and I think I need a coin-shaped bead. Actually, no. I already have a video showing how to do a bezel with a coin-shaped check glass snowflake bead and some of these two-hole beads, just to do a bezel to make a pendant or earrings on that. I'll put a link to that tutorial in the description as well. So we'll do our squaring the circle, which I'm going to do with these, and we'll do the bezeling a coin bead using these, like almost exactly the same color, almost. Might be the same, might be different, but it's got, when I turn the color, or turn it when the light hits different, you see like the purple tones popping through, and you see some of those green tones popping through, and then we've got our really light blue, the aqua tones on the rest. It's just exactly the right colors to go with this entire palette. I'm going to zoom back out a little bit. Alright, so here we are back. Let's have one more last look. Zoom out a little bit more. And there we have the Curated Collections seed bead and two-hole bead subscriptions from Beads to Live By. I will put a link to the Beads to Live By website where you can check out the Curated Collections, and I'll also put a link to the what are they called? The check glass beads, the bundles, if you want to see what's in those. Again, I didn't get them this month. Anyway, I hope you're having a fantastic week, and I will talk with you later. Bye for now.